Ding dong. Somebody is at the front door. You can watch screen. Who is on door?
See, that's a problem I face regularly. And to overcome that, I have created a DIY smart door lock so I don't have to always wake up and check who is on the door. They are mainly my family members, so I know they can easily enter the home by just typing the password. Whenever I wake up at the night to grab a snack, the lights turn on automatically and it follows me around the house. I have installed motion sensor all around my house so that it can detect me and turn the lights on that area. This is a small automation but yet powerful. All my outdoor lights turns on at sunset and turns off at sunrise automatically. I don't have to do it. It's just give me a peace of mind that I don't have to do it. It's just happen automatically. This automation feel like a magic. I have turned my regular doorbell into a smart doorbell using a ESP8266. When someone presses the doorbell button, it sends a signal to Home Assistant. Then Home Assistant displays the video feed on my dashboard, sends a notification on my phone and announces,
Ding dong. Somebody is at the front door. You can watch screen. Who is on door?
so that I don't have to wake up and go and check who is on the door. See, I have a pet and whenever he go outside I don't know that the door is open or closed. So I have installed a contact sensor on my door so that I can know when the door is open and when the door is closed. And when the door is open for half an hour, it will announces on my smart speaker.
Alert. Mumty door opened from past 30 minutes.
I have also installed a camera on my roof so that I can check that who is on the roof. And while we are on the roof, let me show you another automation. I have a water tank and it is on the roof. I don't have to come again and again here to check the tank. I have installed this ultrasonic sensor on my tank and it displays the water level on my smart dashboard, which is installed in the house. And it also announces whether the tank is half full or completely empty. So I don't have to worry about filling the tank again and again. I have shown you some of the automation and there are more. I will show you that in my further videos. For that, consider subscribing. See you on next Friday. Bye.